traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Uh, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the art of trading, and which I'm going to start a mentorship program, a weekend mentoring program. It's a kind of a program where I will spend session either through a Zoom call, or maybe if you are in my city, we can do a face-to-face training where I'm going to clear all your doubts in terms of trading, and I will also cover the basic topics like basics of candlestick patterns, identifying trend, indicators to use, rule-based trading system, risk management, position sizing, intraday strategies, swing trading, tools to use, scalping strategy, trading psychology. All this will be covered in this. And this I am planning to dedicate to 2.5 hours of time with you, only one student at a time, and try to uh, give you a solution which suits you, which suits your personality, and which suits the way you are wanting to trade. So every trader is different, every trader's mindset is different, every trader's style is different. So the kind of knowledge which I have for last I've started trading like about in 2008 or 9. Okay, so from there I have been learning from many mentors, and I have spent a lot of money in learning. I have paid to international institutes, I have paid to international mentors, I have paid to Indian mentors also. And there's a lot of learning which I can translate, and then I'm not charging much higher fees for this. This is only 2499 for this session. And believe me, the kind of value you're going to get at this price is much higher. So all the trading institutes which are charging you like 60,000, 70,000, a lakh for the courses, all that will be covered in this session. And I will make it as easy as for you to understand and execute this on a daily basis. And we will definitely improve your trading psychology, which is the most important factor for any trader to become successful. And why am I charging this? Because I'm already posting videos on YouTube, but for the knowledge which I'm going to share, I want the candidate and the student to be passionate about it, and he should be willing to spend. So that is the only criteria why I'm charging this, because I see that free knowledge is not being respected anywhere. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, and please do reach out to me on Telegram if you want to learn. I will spend time with you as per the slot. You can reach out to me on Telegram and book a slot, and we will get started in one of the weekends. And I have already started with a couple of students, and they have given a very satisfactory feedback. So don't worry, it's not like a mentorship and then I will disappear, I will not respond. So I'm always available, and it's just the beginning of a journey. Once you get connected and once you get trained, I will be there always shadowing you and guiding you in terms of what needs to be done to be a successful trader. Okay, so there are topics which are covered here, but I'm going to cover many other topics which are not mentioned in the sheet, so which we will do on the course live whenever we get started. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to the channels to get these updates. And I will also release a second kind of training for options. So this will be basic technical analysis fundamentals, and also the way you can trade stocks on a day-to-day basis, or even for a swing trading basis. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.